Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink whey protein. First, understand that whey protein is a high-quality protein source derived from milk, packed with essential amino acids. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. Plus, it's known for its fast digestion and absorption, making it an efficient way to boost your protein intake. Knowing when to drink whey protein can maximize its benefits. Many experts suggest consuming it within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout to aid muscle repair and growth. It's also beneficial to drink it in the morning to kickstart your protein intake for the day. Additionally, a shake between meals can help you feel full and manage your appetite. Preparing your whey protein is simple. Typically, you'll mix 1 scoop of powder with about 6 to 12 fluid ounces of cold water or milk. For the best results and a smooth, clump-free shake, a shaker bottle is highly recommended. You can also get creative by blending it into smoothies with your favorite fruits and vegetables for an extra nutritional boost. When it comes to dosage, most individuals benefit from 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per serving. However, your ideal intake can vary based on your activity level, body weight, and overall dietary goals, so adjust as needed. Remember, consistency is key for seeing results. And for a different kind of upgrade, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.